Ndewo no. This is Onyi. So I want to teach you how to greet elders in Igbo language. Okay, so you know Ndewo. Ndewo is a general greeting. Like you can say Ndewo to anybody. That's hello or greetings. Ndewo. Okay, but when you now see an elderly man, then you now have to put Nani. Nani means our father. Ndewo Nani. Ndewo Nani. That's greetings, our father. But if you want to say good morning, our father, you now say Ụtụtụ ọma Nani. You have to put that Nani. It shows respect. Okay, Ndewo Nani. Ụtụtụ ọma Nani. Now, if it's an elderly woman, you now say Ndewo Nne Anyị, because Nne is mother. Okay, so Nne Anyị, our mother. Ndewo Nne Anyị, or Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma Nne Anyị. All right. But when you now meet group of elders, you can just say Ndewo no. Ndewo no. That is, you are greeting everybody. Greetings, everybody. Do you get? Or you can just say Ụtụtụ ọma no. Ụtụtụ ọma no. That is good morning. No, that is everybody. You are greeting everybody, right? Younger people do bow a bit or bend slightly when greeting elders, especially females. Yes, but boys and men, they bow a bit. Yes, they bow a bit or kneel when greeting a very senior elders. Yes, they bow a bit. They won't know. Do you get? Or kneel when greeting a very senior elder. Yeah, so that is it on that. Then, when you want to say, good morning, Mr. Obinna. Good morning, Mr. Okafo. So that Mr. there is Mazi. Ụtụtụ ọma Mazi Obinna. Ndewo Mazi Obinna. You see? So, but Mrs. is Oriako. Oriako.